My wife made a boiled egg this morning and I was thinking, hey, how can I use that? So I'm going to show y'all how to make a small batch of potato salad for two. So I got two Idaho potatoes here. I got them peeled. I left the mess over there, right? So we're going to get some boiling water going. I got my camp pot going. Two potatoes don't seem like a lot, right? But I said I'm making it for two people because you don't want to have potato salad just sitting. So look, boom, we're going to chop up these potatoes. Similar to the way I did it for the beef and potato burrito. We're gonna go in with some sea salt. Cover that and let it come to a boil. We want to get them like fork tender. We don't want them too soft. The last time I made potato salad, it was creamy. Alright, some of these are fork tender, so we're gonna turn this off, drain it. Alright, we're gonna put that back on there. This is Heinz All Natural Distilled White Vinegar. And let that cool down. There's something so satisfying about peeling a boiled egg. So we got our Heinz mustard, we got our mayonnaise, we got our sweet relish. So here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna it's a balut egg. We're gonna go in with some mayo, right? Not too much. Now we're gonna go in with our egg. We're gonna go in with our mustard, right? Sweet relish. Boom. At this point, that's looking extra good. It's creamy, right? So now we just need some seasoning. Gotta go in with the black pepper, right? A little bit of the cayenne. I mean, a little smoked paprika never hurt nobody, right? A little bit more of the sea salt. Maybe I should have used the Himalayan pink salt. Let's get that all mixed up. My wife is making some arroz con gandules right now. Got some thick cut pork chops I'm about to throw on the grill. Those are thick, son. Got to get a lighter, right? Got the Kingsford grizzle. I used to think that you needed fire to cook on, but it's just the heat from the coals. And then you can regulate it with the flues on the top and on the side, right? So we got the arroz con gandules going. She don't want me to open it. I just opened it. I'm sorry, honey. And then we got the orc chops. So we about to go upstairs right now with the orc chops. Let's go throw that on. These are about 1 inch thick. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's hot. Yeah. Let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. So I set my timer. It was about 5 minutes ago. You can see the blue thing right there, right? So here we go. Oh man, gotta check the chops. Oh man, they looking good. Smoke's coming off. They looking real good. Boom. Place 1. Place 2. Place 3. Place 4. Oh, it's beautiful. The rice is ready. Oh snap. That looks so good. Let me taste it. I already knew. It's gonna be banging. Look, banging. So let's get some right now. That on our plate right there. Boom, the potato salad, right? It's hitting. I'm telling y'all, it's hitting. People telling me this potato salad is the best thing they ever eat. Boom. That's my plate. Pork chop, the other white meat, arroz con gandules, and potato salad. Yo, y'all saw me make that. If y'all want to see how I do the pork chops, I'll show y'all a little bit of that. If you want to see how she does the arroz con gandules, yo, that's life right there. That's it. Hey, this is Big Bris. If you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like what you saw, still hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I do stuff like this all the time. Hey, listen, I'm dripping sweat right now. I'm hungry. I'm about to eat. Hey, everybody stay well, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.